Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla. We're going to look at the stock market and the crypto markets, and I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to have a big drop here. Hopefully not, hopefully I'm wrong, but we're going to jump into the technicals and we're going to see what it tells us. You can learn all this in the crypto master course, link down below. I'm trading on Bybit. It's one of my favorite exchanges, third biggest exchange in the world. Also, I have a big announcement. We're going to be partnering with the second biggest exchange in the world. So I'm going to keep you updated on that as it comes up. But it's going to be epic. They're going to give our audience or anyone that trades on there massive deals, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the video, thumbs up button. The more you hit that thumbs up button, the more the algorithm pushes it. And comment down below. If you've been following my channel for 2.5 years, make sure you're commenting. Every 5 people per month are being chosen for $200 each. My team is giving out $1,000 a month. They're choosing from the comment section down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Straight into the technicals. In Bitcoin right now, we'll go into Tesla as well. Bitcoin not looking impressive at the moment. On the 4 hourly, it's come back. And I found a new indicator that I'm testing out at the moment. I've been studying, and I keep studying even though I've been trading for 21 years, and I've been learning about a new indicator which I'm going to show you now. It's called the CCI. But let's jump in. So Bitcoin is coming back to these major supports. You can see this is the Bitcoin moving since 2020. We're at 3K all the way up to 64, 25, 29, 67, and we're coming back down. Up here, when I called the top in November 11th, was the time to be selling. Down here, in my opinion, is time to be buying. So I can short, I can make small term trades, but I'm trying to accumulate Bitcoin. I think we can still come down to these two major support lines. This line here at 17,000 and this line here at 12,000. So I'll be buying a lot of Bitcoin if we do come down there. I think most likely we're actually going to come down to 12,000. Hopefully I'm wrong. Now, we broke out to the upside. There was a bear flag. It faked everyone out. It didn't play out in the bear flag and actually broke to the upside, and now it's coming back down and testing. RSI is heading down. CCI is saying that we're overbought right now. Even though there's been a correction, it's still saying that we're overbought, which is not a good thing. It should be going now to the oversold. So that's quite interesting. RSI is heading down. Stochastic is also heading down very strongly, and Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. It's still going to the green side, but it's curving to head down. So it looks like we're going to actually be dropping here on the daily. On the 4 hourly, CCI is very oversold. Stochastic is very oversold. There's too many indicators to show here, so I'm going to... Stochastic is very oversold. Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side further, and RSI is bottoming out. So we're trying to bottom out here on the 4 hourly. And this is what I talked about in the last video. It did exactly what I talked about. It dropped down here, and my trade is in the profits. I actually talked about this trade in the Crypto Guru alerts, and I talked about this trade going short on Bitcoin, and it played out exactly as I was talking. So you can see here, this was in the Crypto Guru alerts where I shared the short and my thoughts about it breaking down. I shared it yesterday at 7:30, so about 24 hours ago, and we broke out of that triangle to the downside from 21K. And when you zoom in, you can see that triangle, and that was up here, 21K. We went short and it broke to the downside. Now we need to get a very strong bounce here to still be bullish, but at the moment Bitcoin did have a bounce, but not much volume. Now Stochastic is turning up, so we can still, if we can get some volume push, then we can go long. But in my opinion, I think we're going to be breaking down here and hard, because we broke out and then it failed. Now it's retesting. It should have bounced with a lot of volume, but it didn't. So I think we're going to be dropping, but let's see how it plays out. I'm still currently short. My take profit on the short from yesterday was close. The short close, it was about to close by $6. It missed on the close. Actually, it's pretty funny, but it's close to closing now. On the hourly, Stochastic RSI very oversold heading up. On the 15 minutes, very oversold heading up. So it shows in the shorter term time frames that we've bottomed, but on the 4 hour, on the daily, we've got more to fall, and they're turning down very hard. But on the shorter term time frame, so there's only one chance Bitcoin has here, is we need to get a very strong bounce off this. If we can get a very strong bounce here with a lot of volume, we can go long. But in my opinion, it's going to break through here and drop hard. So unfortunate. It looks like Bitcoin, the short is still in play, which is beautiful. If you haven't opened a short yet, I would actually open a short here. I would go short here with a very tight stop, so either the trade works or it fails. Stop there and the take profit all the way down at 17K. That's how I would open this short with a failure. So this is the short that I would take. I'm risking $377 to make almost $3,000. So a 7.9 ratio trade. That's right, risking $377 to make $2,988. With 10x leverage, I'll be $29,000. I teach you how to do this in the Crypto Master Course. So a great trade to be taking. That's the short that I'll open. I'll share this in the free Telegram group as well. I'd actually be going short on Bitcoin but only if it breaks down here. If we can get a bounce with volume, then I would actually not go short. I would close my shorts, and it would close the trade anyway, and it's not risking much. So that's the short that I would take on Bitcoin. I'm currently short already. And if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit. Whoops. So 1, 2, 3. So underneath this video, you can sign up to Bybit down below, and you can start trading. If you sign up to Bybit, you get a $4,450 deposit, US dollars, when you deposit Bitcoin or USD. If you don't use that link, you only get $400. So once you sign up, that will give you this trading software. In here, I've got 165,492. I've got 3.2 Bitcoin. It automatically added another Bitcoin at that buy area at 20,500, and I've got 67,000 USD. I've got this Bitcoin short from yesterday, 31% in the profits, $155, and that's close to its take profit. Now I'm thinking to extend. I'll let this trade close in the profits when it hits, and then I will see whether I'm going to open a new short depending on what Bitcoin does here. I would open the short here after my short closes. So if you wanted to open a short, if you haven't yet, this is how you do it. So the stop loss, so what this means is, this is where my take profit is. It will automatically close the trades in the profits. This is where my stop loss is, where it will automatically close the trade if it goes against me, and this is where the trade opens. So the trade opens at 20,400. 20,365. The stop loss hits at 20,700 if it goes against me, and the take profit is at 17,000. So then I'd go over to Bybit. So you need to go down below. In the description of this video, you sign up to Bybit, and this is the third biggest exchange in the world. I know the owner, it's very safe. You sign up to Bybit, and then you get that trading software, and then I would short Bitcoin. So I'd actually open a short here, even though I'm currently short, so I can't open a new one, but I'll show you how I would short it. So I would short Bitcoin. I'd set the short will open exactly where we're sitting right now. I would open the short, 20,424, where we're sitting. I would spend $1,000 on the short. Make sure you need to learn about risk to reward ratio. I'd go short. My take profit will be at 17,280, and my stop loss would be at 20,742. So I'm risking $150 to make $1,500, 10 times trade. That's epic. Confirm, and then I would open a short, and that's how I would go short on Bitcoin. And that's the short that I would take. I'm going to share this in the Telegram. The free Telegram, and join that free Telegram, everyone, and the link is down below. That's the short that I would take on Bitcoin. And Ethereum, how I would let's look at Ethereum, how it played out. And I need to show you something. Make sure you watch to the end. I found something. The US dollar is parrying. It's about to break the peg with the euro, which is crazy. Ethereum played out exactly as I said. If you followed my videos, the previous videos, it played out exactly as I said. It came down to this. Remember when I asked, do you think this is a rising wedge or an ascending triangle? It looks like it was actually a rising wedge that's going to break down here. Look at that. It touched the line and it bounced off. But I would still actually be going short on Ethereum here. This is the short that I would take on Ethereum. It looks like, in my opinion, it's going to break to the downside. I mean, on the RSI, we're quite oversold on the hourly. On the 4 hourly, we're also heading down strongly. On the daily, we've got more to drop. But I would actually take this short here if we break this support line. And look how it bounced exactly off the line. And this line was drawn, if you followed my videos 2 days ago, it bounced, look at it, literally touched the line and bounced off it. That's how good technical analysis. And it's getting that bounce back, but it seems to be failing. Let's see if it can follow through with volume. If it can follow through with volume, like if this volume picks up, volume is how much buying and selling there is. If that can pick up, then we would target 1,000. The bot will be targeting 1,280, but if it drops out here, then we'll be targeting a big drop on Ethereum, possibly taking us to $800. So this is a big danger for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. And it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at this. DYDX down 10%, Coinbase down 9%, Tesla down 6%. Again, the stock market getting hammered, everything. Facebook down 4%, CRV 3%. It's the whole market is getting annihilated. TSM, I'm going to actually buy more TSM right now. Also, I want to show you this. This is the US dollar parity with the euro. Look at this. The US dollar is coming into parity right now with the euro. It's 99 cents, like almost $1 to $1 with the US dollar and the euro. And this is quite remarkable because something like this hasn't happened in 20 years. The last time this happened, the last time the US dollar overtook the euro was 20 years ago in 1999, and it went up to $1.20. Right now we're sitting at 90. It broke a previous resistance that existed for many years. You can see here going back to 2000 and that resistance existed since 2000 and where is it? 2015, and we're about to break through it yet. And again, it hasn't done that in 20 years. So the US dollar is about to break through the euro, and it's formed a giant W and it already broke the neckline. You can see this big W has already broken the neckline. So that's going to take us, and I actually talked about this in my videos on the weekend, last weekend. This is going to take us, on Sunday I talked about this happening actually before it happened. We could be going here to $1.10 against the euro, which is quite amazing. The US dollar is overtaking the euro. So that's all that I've got for you. Bitcoin about to drop, possibly about to drop, and I think it's going to drop. I'd actually be shorting. Ethereum is dropping. If it can't hold here, $800 will be the target. And the US dollar just overtook the parity with the euro, or is about to, which is quite amazing. That means the US dollar is very strong right now. And if you moved your money from euro into Bitcoin, you'd actually be massively up, or euro into USD. It's dropped almost 40%, which is quite a big drop. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, comment every video, and join us in this Telegram group, everyone. In the Telegram group down below in the description, we're going to give away a PlayStation this week. So make sure you join it. And in there, I show you my live trade alerts. And those trade alerts have been on fire. Everyone in Telegram is doing amazing. Check out this. We got really cool things happening in the Telegram. I'm sharing videos in there. This was me talking about what's happening. These are some people talking about these Bitcoin shorts and people making money in here, which is beautiful. And these are my live trades. And I shared these shorts on Bitcoin and Ethereum yesterday, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.